Hello everybody, hi to all. MTL600. I need to open him quickly, and that's all. This all video, no, not something special. No, this is lock. This is sorry. This is K. This is lock and not professional tool. This is not professional tool. Not. This is I need one picking for special one picking special, please, for you, special will look good. And now 5 4 3 2 1 start. Nice. 4, enter, good. 5 5, no, okay. First, second, third mushroom, and 5 mushroom 2. Okay. 4 not picking. Nice. Now on the place. First, okay. Interactive. Nice. Enter enter. First little enter, second third, sorry, enter little, and 5 enter mushroom, and I believe that's all. And opening of block of interactive pin, out all, and I open him, and that's all. We make test. This is working, everything good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.